This is us, we're underneath the viaduct. It can be quite dodgy sometimes because you find massive bolts that are falling off the top of that bridge down there. One of them is to hit you in the head. You wouldn't be having a good day, that's for sure. So this is the walk up the hill from Minderwell Park, and it takes you up to the Mackay Academy, the secondary school for Moran. Beautiful. So this is the first few videos that I've just had to. Yeah. Never a wee ramble and then speak. So well, I'm a very shy guy. Very quiet. These are some of the places that the tourists in Stonehaven will rarely see. And that is the Mackay Woods. I don't know their Sunday name. Spent a few weekends camping in there. Don't climb the pylons. And we made it to the top of the hill. June 31. So if you stumble across this video, leave a comment, say hello. I love the conversation. I love to meet new people. Tell me where you're from and all that jazz.